Updating your payout destination on Cash App is a straightforward process that allows you to manage where your funds are sent. Follow these steps to ensure your payout destination is set correctly. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account balance at the top of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various options. Step 3. Navigate to Payout Settings. Scroll down to find the Payout or Banking section. Here, you will see options related to your payment methods and payout destinations. Step 4. Update your payout destination. Select the option to change or update your payout destination. You may need to enter your new bank account details or select a different linked account. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new information, review it for accuracy and confirm the changes. You may receive a notification or email confirming that your payout destination has been updated. Make sure to check your payout settings periodically to ensure they're up to date. Following these steps will help you manage your funds effectively on Cash App.